Welcome to Kids Virtual School.
Hello, little learners. Welcome to our channel, the best place to learn and have fun. Today, we're going to learn something super exciting, the table of 10. Are you ready? Let's dive in and count by tens together. The table of 10 is just like magic. Let's see how it works. 10 times 1 is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. 10 times 3 is 30. 10 times 4 is 40. 10 times 5 is 50. 10 times 6 is 60. 10 times 7 is 70. 10 times 8 is 80. 10 times 9 is 90. 10 times 10 is 100. Now let's say it together. 10 One Zaa Ten, 10 Two Zaa 20, 10 Three Zaa 30, 10 Four Zaa 40, 10 Five Zaa 50, 10 Six Zaa 60, 10 Seven Zaa 70, 10 Eight Zaa 80, 10 Nine Zaa 90, 10 Ten Zaa 100. You did an amazing job learning the table of 10. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be a multiplication master. Don't forget to come back to our channel for more fun learning videos. See you next time, bye-bye.